Hello students, today we will discuss chapter number 2, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. So now let's start our topic, flower. Flower is a modified shoot and it is the reproductive organ or reproductive structure of the plant. Flowers are objects of aesthetic senses, ornamental, social, religious and cultural values. Flowers are morphological, embryological marvels and site of sexual reproduction in angiosperms. In the opinion of biologists, as two of the four parts, androecium and gynoecium, are the important or sexual part of the plants, while other two, calyx and corolla, are the accessory parts. A flower is a modified shoot for reproduction. A flowers bears reproductive organ where gametes are produced. Androecium represents the male reproductive organ and it consists of two parts, anther and filaments. Anther produce pollen grains and while filament bears the anther. And the gynoecium have many ovules, one or many ovules which bear embryo sac. A typical anther is bilobed, dithecous and tetrasporangiate. Two microsporangia are present in each lobe of anther. Now, microsporangia. Microsporangia is surrounded by four layers: epidermis, endothecium, middle layer, tapetum. Now first, epidermis. Outer single-celled thick layer is called epidermis. Endothecium. It helps in dehiscence of anther. Now the third is middle layer. It stores food and these are 3 to 4 layered. Tapetum. Nutritive. It is diploid or polyploid. It gives nutrition to the developing pollen grains. Now, microsporogenesis. During the sporogenesis, every cell of sporogenous tissue, microspore mother cell, MMC, can give rise to tetrad of microspores through meiosis. Normally, tetrad of microspores are tetrahedral in shape. Each microspore mature into pollen grain. Now, pollen grain. Pollen grains are bilayered in structure. Its outer layer is exine. It is made up of sporopollenin, which is highly biological resistant material. Inner layer is made up of pectocellulose. Germ pores are present on exine. The viability of pollen grains depends on temperature and humidity. Now, microgametogenesis. After germination, mature pollen grains contain two cells. A bigger is vegetative cell with large nucleus and the second is smaller cell which is generative cell with small nucleus. Sometimes it is 3-celled stage. Generally pollen grains shed at 2-celled stage. Pollen grains can be stored for many years in liquid nitrogen -196 degrees Celsius in pollen banks.